Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating variables. This saves time. First, make sure the display is set to 60 Hz or higher because a wrong refresh rate causes visible shake. Once done, physically reseat the HDMI or display port cable, and if possible, swap to a known good cable or port. You then reboot the machine, and if the shaking persists, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party software. This shows whether the issue is hardware or software-driven. Next, update the GPU driver, because outdated or corrupted drivers often produce jitter. Install the WHQL or vendor-signed package and reboot. Then disable hardware acceleration in browsers and any media apps to see if rendering conflicts are the cause. After that, swap the monitor to another PC or connect a different monitor to your computer. This confirms whether the GPU, cable, or panel is responsible. If the shake disappears on another setup, focus on the original device's graphics subsystem. Finally, if software and ports are cleared, replace the cable or adapter with a shielded, high-quality HDMI or display port cable because poor shielding or bad converters cause interference. Make sure the monitor is on a stable power source. Plug directly into a different outlet and remove surge strips to rule out electrical noise. Perform a factory reset on the monitor settings. If shaking continues, contact service. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different power outlet or run the monitor from a UPS to see if
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.